About 4:30 in the morning. Getting ready to take this truck and trailer, and I'm gonna go pick up my new equipment today. Oh yeah. Yeah, we're gonna take the gooseneck trailer, take the old 450. See how this baby's gonna start up this morning. Oh wow, okay. Oh yeah. Let her warm up for a little bit. Let's see. Let's go navigation. We don't want the 3D maps. So, I'll talk to you guys in a little bit, but I got about a 3.5, 4 hour trip today. So, thanks for sticking with me. See ya.